We are not familiar with this, so that is what it is. Vyasika.
Anagna buddhya chamane videye buddhireva va ube api vidhiyete dvayoratra sutatvataha Shruterachamanam praptam Pravatyarthamanucchatat
Anudhyachatat
Pravatyarthamanucchatat.
Is it Chuck is clear? I don't think. I think it's blurred it is. Anudhya it is. I have referred to another book. What is that? Bhule Baba? Anudhya. Anudhya, not correct. Correct. Anudhya.
Anagnatamati prana Vido purva vidhiyate
Anagna buddhya achamane vidheye buddhi eva va ube api vidheyete. द्वयोः अत्र श्रुतत्वतः उभे अपि विधेयते. द्वयोः अत्र श्रुतत्वतः उभे अपि विधेयते. So now you know the context. Anagna buddhya achamane. No, not anagna buddhya. Anagna buddhi and achamane. Achamane, two achamanas. Before eating and after eating. Vidheye, are these both enjoined? In this context, that is, that meditating, that this achamana is what? Clothing the prana, one vidhi. Other, you should do the achamana, are both enjoined, or buddhi eva. Only chintana, what is that? Anagna buddhi, chintana, that achamana is for what? Making the, or clothing the prana. This is samshaya. Say, dvayoho atra shrutatvatah. In Shruti, both these things are what? Told, and therefore, ubhe api vidhiyete. Both achamana is enjoined, and anagna buddhi, clothing of the prana, also enjoyed. This is what Purapaksha. The Siddhartha. Smritehe achamanam prayatyartham praptam anudhya. Praptam tat anudhya. See, achamana is for prayatyartham. Prayatyartha means for purification. Achamana is for purification. And from what do you know? Smritehe praptam. Told where? In the Shruti. One can understand from Shruti that achamana is for the sake of purification. See? Tat anudhya. What the Shruti does? Having restated the achamana which is recommended by Smriti for the sake of purification, having restated that there pranavidaha apurva anagna matihi vidhiyate. Pranavidaha means for the pranopasaka, those who do the upasana pranavida. Apurva anagnata matihi. Mati here is chintana. Chintana, meditating on this achamana as what? Clothing, which is apurva, not known by other pramana. Achamana is known by what? Smriti. But this, it should be considered as what? Clothing is not known by any other pramana than this both Shrutis. Chandogya and Brihadaranyaka Shruti. So therefore apurva, anandamati chintanam vidhiyate, enjoy. So simply Achamana is not enjoined, only that by doing Achamana, you are clothing the prana, that mati, that chintana, that upasana is enjoyed. That is it.
Aryakhyanat apurvam in Chandogya and Brihadaranyaka there is prana samvada in which prana upasana is given. In that, having done achamana, sipping of water with mantras before eating the food and after eating the food, one has to think or do chintana, upasana, that thereby, by this achamana, prana is clothed, anagna. Anagna means it is clothed. Clothes are put on prana, so one has to think, chintana, upasana has to be done. This is the context. The question is whether in these Shruti statements, both in Chandogya and Brihadaranyaka, is it that Achamana Vidhi is there and Drishti Vidhi is there? What Drishti? Achamana is clothing the prana, is one thing, and do the Achamana. Means, does these statements enjoin of doing Achamana and this Anagna Drishti, or do they enjoin either of them Achamana or Vidhi, or only Vidhi, not Achamana? So that is what the Siddhanta is. Achamana is already told in Smriti for purification. That is not the job of Shruti here. So Shruti speaks of something apurva, not known by other means of knowledge. So therefore, this anagna drishti is thinking, chintana, that prana are what? Flow through. That is what is enjoined there. And only achamana, which already the Brahmana is supposed to know from the Smriti, is restated for reference. That's all. Anvaya like this. Apurvam karyakhyana. Apurvam, what is the apurvam? While doing this achamana, the chintana, what chintana? Anagnata chintana. The prana is being clothed. This is apurva. Apurva means what? This is something which is enjoined by the Shruti, which is not told anywhere else. Which is not told anywhere else. This is apurva. And how? As a part of pranopasana, as an anga of prana vidya. So, and not achamana. Why not achamana? Karyakhyana. Karyasya akhyana. Achamana is the karya, thing to be done. Why? For purification. Who told you? Smritis. Smritis have already told to the Brahmana that before eating and after eating the food, you have to take to achamana for the sake of purification. So therefore, it is not the field of Shruti to tell you as such. So therefore, Shruti refers to that achamana. And with the achamana, what you do? You do this anagna chintana, anagna drishti, do the karyasya akhyana. Akhyana means, so restatement of the thing to be done according to Smriti is referred to here, so that the anagnata drishti can be enjoyed.